Hi, this is Jake from Reach. We released a new version of Reach today that makes some big changes to how the contact import feature works. I wanted to give you a sneak peek so you can check it out and see it for yourself. It begins, as always, on the My Reach screen where you can import from your contacts. Reach will see the contacts in your phone if you've given it the appropriate permissions, and you can choose to either match all your contacts or match specific contacts. But there's also a new section down here that says for any contacts while we're very confident in the match, we'll automatically add that contact to your network with the following settings. We won't override any existing relationships. So this is very important. These, you can pick some settings of a relationship type, for example, your neighbors, and a privacy setting for whether you want to share contact info with the campaign. And depending on those settings, as we match your contacts, anytime we find a great match, a match that we're very confident in based on a both name and phone number match to the voter file, we're going to automatically add those contacts to your network without making you tap into each one and pick the match and confirm it. So I'm going to select specific contacts in this case of everyone in Westeros, which is my Game of Thrones land for the demo campaign here. And when I tap search for matching voters, Reach is going to run through, and instead of showing me all 7 of those, it's going to tell me it's automatically added 5 to my network, and it's only going to show me the 2 it can't quite figure out. So we have, if I sort of tap off to do here, you'll see that those 5 have been auto imported. There's 2 remaining, which I can do myself. Here's Bobby Baratheon, where there's a few different options for who this person might be based on my contact. I know that this one's actually Bobby. He lives in the Stormlands. I can add him to my network. And here's my friend T-Lan, who I have saved in my phone with a nickname. I can search again, but with his real name. Now you'll see that this has also been split up into more fields, so I can get specific with first name, middle name, and last name. But if I search for Tyrion Lannister, then we'll see the match, which I can add to my network. I've now gone through and I've added 2 manually, plus the auto-imported ones, and I've completed all the contacts that I searched for. And when I tap See My Network, there they are, all there ready to go in my network. So this should, especially when dealing with a lot of contacts and a real voter file, this should dramatically speed up a volunteer's ability to import their contacts into Reach with minimal manual intervention, only in the cases where Reach can't figure out the contact on its own. Enjoy! Happy reaching!